Right here.
All right, coming to the right. Whoa.
Easy, Willow. Just don't shoot the truck. It's right in front of Sasha walking. Yeah, you got it.
Good girl, Sasha. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, right here.
Here.
Yeah. Oh, good girl. That's good girl. Can we sit? Hey. Well, let's sit. Stay.
Okay, here.
Stay.
Hang on. I'll grab Sasha. Sasha, sit.
Stay.
Go ahead.
Nope.
Let me try to film her coming back.
There we go. Yeah. Good girl.
Sasha's birdie over here, Chris. Easy, Sasha. Not now, though. She's just running now. I forgot. Where'd the last bird get up at, Chris, when we were over there?
Willow, here. Here. Good girl.
I don't know if she's on working a bird or what, Chris. She looked, her tail's going. I think she's working one. She is working one. Right through the sumac. Just watch her. Step on that. Did you get it? Get on film. Go ahead. Sash, sit.
Whoa. Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Yes.
Go.
That's good.
That's good.
Right. All right. They're getting warm. Watch her.
Willow.
Get on that other side of the tree, Chris. Get on the other side of the trees. Good shot. Sash, leave it. Sash, leave it. She take it from her?
Yeah.
Sash, here. Sasha, here. Here. Willow, no.